I just hooked a giant fish in this tiny stream, and it might break my line. It started to pull downstream, and that was when I realized I had no control over this fish.
Dude.
It went up and downstream, and when I heard this, I knew what I was finally hooked into.
That's a giant, dude. That's a giant. That's way bigger than I thought he was.
As we went to net this fish, we noticed there was multiple giant browns underneath this bank. As soon as this fish started to roll, we knew we could get it into the net.
Yeah, man, just bring him my way and we'll get him in. It's a crazy fish. That's a crazy fish. Got him.
A day of chasing kokanee turned into a trophy brown trout. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.